everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Binti. If you're not, thank you for coming back. Today is just going to be a quick haul video on some things I picked up from the recent trip to the shop. Yeah, I just decided to go to a shopping center and just walk around and just do some window shopping and look at the nice stuff that they have. Really wasn't planning on that, but it turns out they were having a sale on this day, and of course I got sucked in because it looked pretty good to me. First things I picked up from the shops was some earrings from H&M. They were on sale, so it seemed reasonable at the time, but I still like them, no regret. But it seemed reasonable at the time, so I decided to get like 3 sets of earrings, 3 packs of earrings. Let's go in detail and see them. So this is the first one. Okay, so this is the first one. I don't know if you can see that, but they're like these little cute earrings. Yeah, and the second pack is this one. This has 3 sets on them. They seem more formal, but I can literally wear this with anything at any time, so there's not really anything, but they do look more formal, while as this look like casual, like I can wear this on a day-to-day basis, like every day. I can also wear this like to go out, like dress it up. Not sure if you can see that, but they look like this. And the last set, 2 sets, so they're a bit bigger. They're a bit bigger in size and like a different shade of gold, but I also love these. They're like kind of like hoop earrings, but like semi-hoop earrings. It's not complete. Well, I love them. They'll go really well for like some outfits. They were kind of on sale, so I'm like, I'm gonna get them. So yeah, that's how they got me. That's how they got me. So the next thing I picked up was the Victoria's Secret body spray or body mist. So this, and also the Victoria's Secret body spray, body mist, this, and the body lotion. They go together, it's a pair. It's in the scent Coconut Passion, and I love coconut, and I love the smell of coconuts. It just smells so tropical, so summery, and I like it. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. And the last thing I got was the Kayali set from Sephora. Ta-da! Okay, it's not focusing. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it looks like this. I'm gonna try and like take out the individual one. But I've been wanting to get like this spray for a while because I've been wanting to get this spray for a while, and it seemed to have gotten a lot of positive reviews. So that was good news, but I also wanted to spray it in person and see how long it'll last and like everything, like before purchasing it, because they are quite pricey. I couldn't decide which one I wanted to try first. Very indecisive because they all smell so good. They all smell so good, and they're all like scents I would wear. They're all like scents I would wear, and like similar to scents I kind of already have. Yeah, because I couldn't decide which one I wanted to get, I decided to get the set so I can see so I can test it out and see how long it got. And it was also a really cheap alternative. They're 10 mils each of them. But the first one is vanilla from Kayali, and that's got flavors of vanilla orchid, tonka absolute, brown sugar, amber woods, and musk. And it smells so good. I am obsessed. And the next one is Eden Juicy Apple. I'm not sure which one is the name. It says Eden Juicy Apple number 1. So that's the red one. So the scents include juicy red apple, wild berries, jasmine, lychee, vanilla lychee, vanilla flower, essential musk. But it smells so sweet. Like they all smell so sweet. Like I don't know. I can smell the lychee. I can smell the apples, the berries. It just smells like a beautiful bouquet of flowers. It smells beautiful. Next one is Invite Only, and that's got notes of black cherry, honey de Provence, tobacco leaf, amber resin, vanilla Madagascar. Yeah. Whew. This one you can really smell the tobacco. It smells a bit more like smoky and everything. You can really smell like the tobacco and the musk. One is Deja Vu white flower. That's this. And this one's got notes of gardenia, jasmine, absolute, orange flower, tuberose infusion, and Tahitian vanilla. Ooh, stop. And it's not too much. It's not like overwhelming. It smell very subtle, and then it kind of fades really like nicely. Like, but yeah, like I love it. But that's it. That's the miniature set. I'm gonna try those out and see how I go with them. The scents actually last pretty long, so I think last time I sprayed it lasted for a few hours. It was on me for a while. Because I kept going back and smelling my clothes and smelling my wrist. It was still there. Month. It's the trend I love more. So far I'm leaning towards the juicy apple, the red one. I don't know. I love how it smells. So thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below which one's your favorite scent, if you've got that set or if you've got a Kayali perfume. Thank you. Alright.